Hello there and welcome to Hartge's Garage. Today I am in a rim repair shop and I just had a wheel repaired. Just a second. I think you might have seen this one before. It's the Hartge rim for my Z3 and it had a rather nasty I don't know, mark something. It was quite deep. I think I can just barely spot the area. Where is it? I think it's down here. There's just a tiny little scratch, but there was quite a nasty kind of cut in it here, and now it looks way better. And we are going to meet Cina because she has not really welded it. She has blasted aluminium powder on it. Hello, Cina.
Hi.
Hey, show me the machine. I'm a bit curious.
This is the welding machine. And
you still call it a welding.
Powder.
So that's aluminium powder. Okay, interesting. And you kind of melt the powder?
Yeah, it's 800 degrees.
Okay. And now we have a kind of a more modern diamond cut wheel or rim.
Diamond cut, and you see
it's
the
been
deep damage.
Damage there at the edge. Okay. So now we're going to just build up a bit of material. Okay, I will back away a bit. But you have no breathing mask or anything?
No, it's no need.
Very noisy. Okay. Noisy and a bit dusty, but let me see. So now you built up.
Yeah, but
you started to build up, and you will continue to build up with more aluminium. May I touch it?
Yeah.
It's a bit warm, but not extremely warm.
This one. It's
that one is
very
really
warm.
Yeah. Okay. And then you machine. You machine it, so you take the rim in.
Machine it and do this again and fill up to have maybe a little bit higher than this one.
Yeah, sure.
And then I take it down before I put it in the diamond cut machine.
So you have a diamond cutting machine here.
Yeah.
Okay. But then when that's done, you clear coat it somehow?
Yeah.
Okay, you got the some sort of because my rim has not been coated because it shouldn't be coated. But if it's for a more modern car, okay. Aha. Okay. So you wet spray, so to speak, with the paint.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not the powder.
No.
Powder. Okay.
It's, what do you say? You need more space if you need the powder.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Interesting. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Well, yeah. So that's all from Hartge's Garage today. I just wanted to show you this. I thought it was a bit interesting. Bye-bye.